my vlog yet. And this is Rhea. She doesn't like people. She's a very nervous dragon. Hey guys, good morning. Well, actually, good afternoon. It's 3:05 right now, actually. I'm just popping out of the house real quick to get something to eat, and then I'm just coming right back. But I just figured I'd start this vlog because I haven't even said hello today. I think I just filmed a couple things with the dogs. I don't even remember. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm in the mood to play video games today, so I think I'm gonna come back and chill out and play some games. I haven't done that in a while. But I require some sustenance because I haven't eaten a single thing today, so, which isn't good. So I need to go get something to eat. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then I'm gonna, like I said, come back here and hang out for a bit. But I just wanted to say hello, see how everybody's doing. It's raining again. But yeah. I've gone for some Animal Crossing. This is actually, I bought this game a while ago, and this is the first time I'm playing it. So I'm excited. I love Animal Crossing. I don't know how different it's gonna be from the original, but let's see. I'm leaving the house again now to go and pick up my mom from work. But I'm running super late because she texted me at 4:30 and I didn't even see it because my sound wasn't on. So she's really mad at me. Oh, squirrel. Nothing. Every minute's like a lasso. Let's just take it real slow. Whichever one you want, I'll be the other.
I want X.
Okay, then I'll be O.
That broken pieces.
Yeah? Kiss ring and your beer will be right out, okay, hon?
Don't.
Get out of here. Don't be cheating. Very true though. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee.
A bumblebee.
Proud of me.
You found it.
Friday, Saturday, and Tuesday.
Hey guys, so I just left Chili's. I had dinner with my sister, my brother-in-law, my niece, and of course Cruz, but he was a little cranky, so he quickly fell asleep. But now we're headed, I think, to Christmas tree shop. Didn't text Shannon. Yeah, so it's raining, pouring rain. Raining, pouring rain. What else would it be raining? Anyway, it has not stopped all day. It's cold. I have my air conditioning on. I hate myself. I can't even. So yeah, let go. Bippity boppity boo.
You gonna turn me again into a beast.
How was it? I was turning into a...
No, it's not.
Yeah, but... Oh, I'm being photoshopped. What? Yeah. wordlessly showing off her purchases. Natalie, say hi. So just finished up at Christmas tree shop. I had to walk back in, like after they were closed. Like somebody had to like literally let me in because I dropped my hat at one point. Well, I like took it off and I put it in the cart, and then it fell out of the cart and I didn't know, so I had to like break back in and get it. It was there, it was on the floor, all abandoned and alone. But I got it back now, so we're good. I think I'm about to go get some froyo by myself because it's mad good, and I'm like 2 minutes away from it, so that might be what has to happen right now. Froyo achieved.
There you go.
What should I do? Direct me.
Action.
What should I do? A dance?
Yeah.
In this tilted ceiling? Now your turn, you dance. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, it's time to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please like and subscribe. My Instagram, Twitter, and now my VSCO are down in the description box, so go follow me on there. If you tweet me that you came over from YouTube, I'll follow you back. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much.